Hi guys, and welcome along to today's video. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be looking at another word that I often hear in speaking tests, and that word is interesting. Now, interesting is a great word. It's a nice piece of vocabulary, but I often hear it used in the wrong places. So I'll hear a sentence like, "My favourite sport is football because it's really interesting." Or, "I love football because it's really interesting." The problem is, when we're talking about a sport that we do, we shouldn't use interesting. We should use either fun or exciting or enjoyable. So the sentence should look like this. My favourite sport is football because it's really exciting. But if you want to make your answer stand out even more, add a reason as to why you feel that way. So your sentence will look like this. My favourite sport is basketball because it's really enjoyable. You have to run a lot and work as a team to win. So if you're talking about a sport that you play, make sure you don't use interesting, but use fun, exciting, or enjoyable to describe it. The next place I often hear interesting used in the wrong way is when we're talking about something that we enjoy, like a book or a film. When we're talking about a book like Harry Potter or a film like Avengers, we wouldn't use interesting. We should use something like, "I really like reading Harry Potter. The books are really entertaining and I've read all of them." Or, "I saw a really thrilling film last week called The Avengers. It was about superheroes fighting to save the universe." However, interesting is a great word to use in the right place. We use it when we're talking about something that can teach us something that can help us think about something in a new way. So you might use it when you talk about a favourite subject or a favourite hobby, such as, "My favourite hobby is astronomy. I think it's really interesting to learn about the planets, stars, and our universe." But remember, there's a difference between interesting and interested. Interesting we use for something we want to learn more about. For example, "This book about physics is really interesting. I've learnt lots about the world from reading it." But when we use interested, we often say interested in something. So you have a sentence like, "I'm really interested in physics. I enjoy learning about how things in the world work." Well, I hope this has given you some great ideas to change up your vocabulary in your next speaking test answer. If you'd like to find out more or get some more in-depth lessons, why not scan our barcode and get in touch with us today? Thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.